In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up an NTP server in ThinkSystem System Manager, so your controller can automatically keep its time in sync. Before we get started, make sure you already have an NTP server up and running on your network. First, log into ThinkSystem System Manager. On the left menu, click Hardware. Next, click on Controllers and Components. Click on one of the controllers and select Configure NTP Server. When the pop-up box appears, check I want to enable NTP on controller. Now, choose how you want to connect. You can either let the system automatically obtain it from a DHCP server, or you can manually enter the NTP server address yourself. Once you've made your selection, click Save. You'll see a quick success message confirming everything is set up. If you have another controller, you can easily apply these same settings to it right here. Finally, to double-check your setup, go back to the controller, click View Settings, and hit the DNS NTP tab to verify that everything looks correct. Your NTP server is all set up.